Okay, so this is my new toolbox. Just upgraded it from my Classic 78 that I posted a month or so ago. So here we go. It's a KRL 1022 13 drawer snap-on box. My socket, ratchet, and extension drawer. My wrench drawer. Tools are a little dirty. Been using them. Screwdriver drawer. Handle tools. Oop, missing one there. Put that one away. Missing a couple of there too. Laying around somewhere. Since I got a bigger box, I got a little bit of extra space here, so if anybody knows anybody selling some good tools, send me a message. San Francisco Bay Area. Note the black and orange trim on the box. My pliers drawer. A little bit of everything in there. Missing one there. Let's put that one away. And let's put that one away. Good. Now everything's got the home. Got hammers. Got a couple in my service truck. Hammers and saws. Drill bits. And we got air tools, seal drivers, and a bunch of little ones in there. This one here has just got a writing surface, pretty much empty. Good little drawer to have though. And drills, taps, punches and pullers. Extractors. Just little miscellaneous stuff. Battery handle out of the way there. Oil service and battery service. And some diagnostic equipment. Once again, thanks for taking the time to check out my box. This is where my Giants logo is going to go in black once I get it. Thanks for watching.